DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is often described as the blueprint of life, a complex molecule that carries the genetic instructions for all living organisms. To truly understand genetics, we must first grasp the fundamental structure and function of DNA. At its core, DNA is composed of two long strands that coil around each other to form a double helix. This unique shape is crucial because it allows DNA to be compacted into structures known as chromosomes. Chromosomes are really long molecules of DNA that organize and package genetic information. Each chromosome can contain hundreds to thousands of genes, which are segments of DNA that encode specific proteins. Now, let's break down what a gene actually does. A gene is a specific sequence of nucleotides within the DNA that provides the instructions for making a particular protein. Proteins are vital for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. They play a role in everything from muscle contraction to immune responses. The process begins when a gene is transcribed into messenger RNA, mRNA. This mRNA then travels from the nucleus, where the DNA resides, to the ribosomes, the cellular machinery that synthesizes proteins. Here, the information in the mRNA is translated into a chain of amino acids, which fold into a functional protein. The specific sequence of nucleotides in the gene determines the order of amino acids in the protein, which in turn influences the protein's shape and function. Every organism, from the tiniest bacterium to the largest whale, has a genome. A genome is the complete set of genetic material within an organism, encompassing all of its genes and non-coding sequences of DNA. The genome serves as a comprehensive instruction manual for building and maintaining that organism. In humans, for example, the genome contains approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes, but it is also filled with vast stretches of non-coding DNA that, while not coding for proteins, play important regulatory roles and contribute to the overall structure of the genome. Understanding that every organism has a genome leads us to the concept of genetic variation, while the genomes of individuals within a species are remarkably similar. Small differences in the sequences of DNA can lead to variations in traits, such as eye color, height, or susceptibility to certain diseases. These variations arise from mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence that can occur due to errors in replication, environmental factors, or even be inherited from previous generations. Some mutations have little to no effect, while others can significantly influence an organism's phenotype, the observable characteristics that result from the interaction of its genotype with the environment. The study of DNA and genes has profound implications for fields such as medicine, agriculture, and conservation. For instance, understanding the genetic basis of diseases can lead to the development of targeted therapies, while knowledge of plant genomes can help improve crop yields and resilience to climate change. Conservation efforts also benefit from genetics, as understanding the genetic diversity within endangered species can inform breeding programs aimed at preserving their populations. In summary, DNA is the fundamental molecule that carries the genetic information necessary for life. Chromosomes, which are long strands of DNA, house genes that encode proteins essential for various biological functions. Every organism possesses a genome, serving as the complete set of genetic instructions that guide development, functioning, and reproduction. By unraveling the complexities of DNA and genetics, we gain valuable insights into the mechanisms of life itself, paving the way for advancements that can enhance our health, agriculture, and understanding of biodiversity. The journey into the world of genetics begins with the exploration of DNA, and from there, the possibilities are as vast as the diversity of life on Earth.